Good day and welcome to this quick SigmaNEST tutorial. Today I will show you how to change task sheet sizes within a nesting. Have you ever found while nesting in SigmaNEST that your sheet is just not big enough for all the parts required? Now I will take you through some steps on how you can change your sheet size. So within SigmaNEST there are a couple of different ways to do this. The first method is to go to Parameters and to change the length and width of your sheet. However, a quicker way to do this is to look for the Layout Properties tab, and by simply changing your sheet sizes, SigmaNEST will automatically update those sheet sizes. Another place you can find your layout properties is by right-clicking on the task sheet, and layout properties will be there for you to utilize. Now, once your sheet has been resized, simply renest. Now I can see all my parts have been nested and my sheet is ready to go. Thanks for watching.